Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another Snapchat tutorial video. Snapchat has just released a new feature that will allow you to change your username. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. What you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the top left. From here we want to tap on settings in the top right. Then up towards the top, the second line, you'll see username. Tap on that. Now you can tap in the field and it's going to say your username can be changed once a year. Even if you switch usernames, no one else will be able to claim your old username. So basically the old usernames are automatically gone forever, or maybe if you previously owned them, you can switch back. I'm not sure about that. But then just go ahead and tap continue. Type in the new username that you want. It'll tell you if it's taken or not. And then all you would need to do is tap next if you want to keep this new username. I'm just gonna go back. I don't really want to change mine. That'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.